Hey y'all, how are you doing? I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And as always, please leave a comment down below telling me your thoughts on the unboxing and just how your day is going. I love hearing from you guys. And please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. It does really help me out. So, as you can see from the title down below, today we do have a brand new subscription, and this one I think is going to be so much fun, you guys. This is from Sweetology. It's a big box, as you could probably see from the thumbnail, so I'm going to just wait to get the box. I'm going to tell you about it a little bit first. So, they reached out to me and asked me if I would do a review, and of course I was like, sure. So, their objective is to spread kid and family content that appeals to moms. It's wholesome, and I think that is so awesome. It's fun, high quality, easy to use, and delicious, because if you cannot tell, this is actually like cupcakes and cookies and decorating and fun stuff, so yay. And it's using only real buttercream, frosting, and premium cupcakes. They do have different themes, and they obviously will kind of coincide with the time of year, especially if there's a holiday coming up or something like that. Now, it is $29.99 a month, billed on the first of each month, and each kit will include 6 fresh baked cupcakes or cookies with frosting and sprinkles and, you know, what you need to decorate. Now, this makes a great gift. That is one thing too, you know, if you know someone that loves to eat cupcakes or cookies, which is probably most anybody, or just someone, you know, that really enjoys doing crafty stuff, but like decorating, like with baking, but maybe they're not the best at it, but this way they could kind of already get the stuff pre-baked and everything they need, and they could be able to create some beautiful cupcakes or cookies. So let's dive in here. Like I said, I will put a link down below to Sweetology if you would like to sign up. And I can already tell you, without even opening and going through the box, I would definitely recommend this because I think it's just so much fun. And I love the idea of the pre-baked cupcakes or cookies and then everything kind of ready, so you really get to do that fun activity without having to like think about it and come up with it. So they do the thinking and the baking for you. You get the fun part of decorating and enjoying the yummy goodness. So let's get in here. Like I said, as you could see in the thumbnail, this is a big old box. It says sweet. Well, where does it start? Sweetology. So, and y'all, something in here smells amazing. Their packaging is phenomenal. It's in this box. This was like sealed down. I did want to make sure that everything arrived safely, which with this packaging, there was no question. So I do see, I haven't peeked any further than that, but something smells fantastic. So we have some cards here, so we're going to look at these. And then, are these little stickers or like temporary tattoos? This is cute. This looks like, because it's reversed, we've got a couple of like little temporary, well, it's not reversed for y'all. That's weird. It's reversed for me, but apparently it's not showing up reversed to you guys. But I am flipped in the camera. So I'm thinking these are little temporary tattoos. That is super cute. All right, so let's take a look here at our papers. Now, all right, Sweetology. Thank you for purchasing your decorating kit. Let the fun begin. Custom kits available for any occasion. So that is really awesome that you can do that as well. You can tell them, look, I need cookies or cupcakes and I need stuff to decorate for XYZ, and they can send it to you. So that's fantastic. This kind of gives you an idea here on the back of some of the different things you can do, which is so fun. All right. Now it says that the kits freeze beautifully until you're ready to decorate. Simply remove the sprinkles and sugar decons before placing in the freezer. So that's a good idea. So there's that. And then now this is a list of their decorating classes. They are, where are they located again? I don't remember. Oh goodness. And it's not telling me here. But they could do corporate parties, team building, holidays, gingerbread houses, private events, girls' night out, bridal showers, baby showers, custom parties, private group classes, wine, beer, and cocktails available, online ordering, birthday decorating kits. So all of that is here. And then like the cake decorating parties, they can actually, I wish I could remember where they're located, but they have all kinds of like classes that you can take. Like the Sunday Fun Day workshops, individual workshops. It's $39.99. It's from 2 to 3:30, and then it started to February 13th and goes all the way to December 19th. And they have like different themes. I know it's super small, you can't read it, but like flower power unicorn cake. Let's see, what do we have coming up? July 1st was Sunday Fun Day Miss USA unicorn cake. July 15th is Summer Beach Vibes cupcake class. July 29th is Sunday Fun Day monster cake. And then there's a flamingo cake, Minions, Minecraft, back to school. Then we start getting into, like in October, a cauldron cake, candy corn, ombre drip cake, witch unicorn, haunted castle, spooky cat. Then we have a pumpkin patch cake, gingerbread workshop. So all kinds of stuff, you guys. It's amazing. So, they have all kinds of stuff going on. It's amazing. We're slam packed with information. So, there is that. So, let's get to the goods. The good stuff. The stuff we're here for. Now, this is what I'm seeing. So, let's take this off. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And I can see that I got cupcakes. You can kind of see there, I see one chocolate and a vanilla cupcake. So, let's just get in here. Alright, so oh my gosh, they feel so moist. That's what I'm smelling. So, we have a chocolate cupcake. But, I mean, you can look at them and tell how moist they are. And they are so, I don't want to squish it, but they're so soft. Vanilla. Chocolate. These are good sized cupcakes. Christopher is going to be very happy. Cupcake. Pulling out more cupcakes. Kind of getting them out. I mean, you can tell. Oh my gosh, they are going to be so good. Christopher and I are going to have some fun this afternoon, y'all. And he doesn't even know it yet. I'm pulling some other stuff out just since I'm already kind of in here digging. Alright, so there was actually an ice pack in here, which is awesome. Keep everything fresh and cool. Actually, there's multiple ice packs. Let me make sure I got everything. There's tons of confetti, or squiggling, which is great for shipping and making sure everything arrives safely. All right, so it looks like we got everything in here. Now, she did ask me when, like I said, she reached out and we were emailing. She did ask me if there was any particular theme or anything I wanted, and I kind of just told her to surprise me. Again, they send the cupcakes, and I love that they sent chocolate and vanilla. I think that is great. I love that there's that variety. And then we have our real buttercream icing. Right here. So we have green. I love that they're already in like piping bags, but we have green, like a brown, a dark blue, a lighter blue, and then kind of just like a whitish color. So yay for that. And then here we have a little baggie. And this looks like we have got some sprinkles. We have some tips. So that's like right here. We'll cut this off. We unscrew that, and then we can screw some of these tips on to decorate these cupcakes in fancy ways. But y'all, oh my goodness, I can see like little flip-flop like candy decorations, the sprinkles. I see some palm trees and some fish. So we definitely have like a beachy summer theme happening here. You guys, these are going to be so much fun. I can't wait. So I will definitely be posting pictures on Instagram once we decorate these and what they end up looking like. I can't wait to do this with Christopher. This is going to be so much fun. So let me know your thoughts down below. Again, this is Sweetology, and thank you again so much to Sweetology for sending this to me. I really appreciate it, and I think this is amazing. You guys, go check them out. I will put their link to their website down below. How fun! Yay! So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.